Hello everyone, my name is Maria Shandorova and I'm responsible for product development at Infinity. I hope you already know this extension, Infinity Flow. In the release Infinity Flow 2.0, we have decided to give you an ability to define your own node types. That means you can define what colors you want to be used, what icons, so it really fits into the application you are building. Especially if you are using Infinity Flow to visualize not the processes, but to visualize hierarchies, data lineage, or calculation instead. I keep saying that we are developing our product to be native not only for end users, but for developers too. Therefore, the whole definition of your own node types can be done by a properties panel, and it's saved in nothing else than the content library. So let me create a new content library. Add my own icons here. And come back to the application. In the properties panel of Infinity Flow, I can select what content library I want to use. That means you can have 3 or 4 Infinity Flows on the sheet, and every single one can use different design because you can choose different content library here. If you are building demo applications, that should be very easy to export it and upload it to another ClickSense environment. I highly recommend to use in-app library. But right now we are going to use this Technical Tuesday I have created. Now I can go to the editor, click on add new node and create a new one. Let's say it will be assign. The icon I have loaded is assign PNG. And it will have this color. Another one for, let's say, email PNG, and this color. We can also define this check with some other color. And nothing happened because in the definition of this Infinity Flow, I still use these built-in node types. I can see what is used by right-clicking on the object, and here in Show Warnings and Data, I see the hypercubes that are behind the current visualization I see. So here are only default node types. The definition of node type is in the Properties panel and comes from a data model. So I just need to change that to my custom node types to be applied. Here in the right part of the script, I will say that validity check is going to be the check type. This is an email assign and update the data model. And the new design is now applied. If you want to use some of built-in node types, you can. For Infinity Flow, the full set of available node types is a combination of built-in node types and additional node types according to the Click content library you have selected here. One more technical information, this definition you are defining here in this pop-up is saved in the content library as .json.png. Maybe one more thing from my side in this video is that I recommend to use the PNG format for static icons, but yeah, you can use animated icons too. And what's pretty powerful is when you use the transparent background, because here the background of the email icon is transparent, and here in this close ticket, what is transparent are only these corners. So you really can play with how you want this to look like. I really hope you find this feature and also this video really useful. And in the next one, I will explain how to work with actions inside Infinity Flow. Stay tuned, and until then, enjoy Flow.